Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and I know most things are streamed nowadays, but still there's some times that you can't find what you're looking for, and that's why I like to have DVDs of movies like these, the Muppets, Take Manhattan, which is one of my all-time favorite, Kermit the Frog, Miss Piggy, and the whole Muppet gang take Manhattan by storm. I love it. And Muppets from Space, two hilarious, fun, family-friendly movies that will bring nostalgia to ones who are a little bit older generation and new fun for younger generations. And this double feature DVD set, it comes with the 2-disc DVDs and a lot of bonus special features. So there's all kinds of fun behind the scenes, commentary with Kermit and Gonzo and a whole bunch of the characters talking about the movie. It's just hilarious. So there's added bonus things that even if you've seen these movies a million times, you'll still be surprised and enjoy and get another extra good laugh. So if you're looking for a fun family adventure, the Muppets DVD double feature, the Muppets from Space and Muppets Take Manhattan, is a really fun way to go, but that's just my point of view.